In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an Activecampaign account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Activecampaign website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to get started creating a new account. This is where the sign-up process begins. First, enter your email address in the sign-up field and click Get Started. Make sure you use an email address that you can access right away, because Activecampaign will send you a verification message before your account setup is complete. After that, you will be asked to enter your basic contact information. Type in your name and your phone number, then click Next Step to continue. This information helps set up your account profile and can also be used for communication during the onboarding process. Next, Activecampaign will ask a few personalization questions. These questions are usually about your business size, your industry, and the approximate number of contacts you plan to manage. Fill these in as accurately as possible, then click Next Step again. These details help tailor the platform to your needs, which can make the setup experience smoother once you are inside the account. Once you finish those questions, check your email inbox for a verification message from Activecampaign. If you do not see it right away, give it a moment and then check your spam or junk folder as well, since verification emails can sometimes end up there by mistake. When the email arrives, open it and click the verification link inside. This confirms that your email address is valid and allows you to move forward with activating the account. After verifying your email, you will be prompted to create your account password and accept the terms of service. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once that is done, review the terms and continue. Finally, click Take Me to My Account. This will take you directly into your new Activecampaign account, where you can begin exploring the dashboard and setting up your tools. That is the full process for creating an Activecampaign account. If you follow each screen carefully and complete the verification step, the setup is usually quick and straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.